AP is an important market for us in almonds. Actually, what I was in the wholesale market yesterday in Hyderabad, the one in Begum Bazaar, and found sort of Hyderabad, you have a lot of almonds which go not only over Andhra Pradesh but to several other states as well. So it's a very important market. Traditionally, Hyderabad has been consuming a lot of almonds, essentially with biryanis, with various other preparations here. Also, with the migration of a lot of people because of the IT industry into India, into Hyderabad, they've brought the almond culture into Hyderabad, which is ever growing. So it's a very important market for the Almond Board of California. The main objective for today is for two things. One is to educate the average consumer the different health benefits of almonds. Almonds provides a lot of benefits. It's good for the heart. It's good for weight management. It's good for blood pressure. It's good for type 2 diabetes. A lot of people don't know. So we said this is the time to come and educate people. And the second part is that the almonds are very versatile. You can make a lot of preparations very easily with almonds. And here we are going to have a demonstration today which will demonstrate how easy it is to make different types of products with almonds, which gives a lot of variety for people to have and lots of other opportunities for people to have almonds. We don't have specific figures for AP because, as you know, it's a wholesale market and unorganized. But our informal feedback from importers is that the AP market is growing very rapidly. And people are very positive about the market. Yeah, what we do is, and let me explain, we are from the Almond Board of California, so we don't deal with the product, we don't buy or sell. We represent the Californian almond industry. California grows 84% of the world production of almonds, and we take care of the interests of the growers and the handlers in California. And what we're doing here is to promote consumption of almonds, and therefore people will eat more almonds, therefore importers will bring in more almonds. It will help shipments coming in from California. Well, this particular promotion in Andhra Pradesh is happening only in Hyderabad. This is the first time we have come into Hyderabad to do a specific activity of this nature, and then we'll see how it goes. And tomorrow we could see how we extend it all over Andhra Pradesh.